The Typewriter. Last summer, during a community garage sale, I stumbled upon an old typewriter that caught my eye. The seller, a quirky elderly woman named Mrs. Patterson, shared that it once belonged to her late husband, a newspaper journalist with a penchant for uncovering mysteries. Intrigued, I decided to purchase the typewriter. As I tinkered with it at home, a hidden compartment opened, revealing a collection of faded photographs and cryptic notes. They hinted at an unsolved case that had haunted Mrs. Patterson's husband until his final days. Driven by curiosity, I reached out to Mrs. Patterson to learn more. She reluctantly shared the story of a missing person case from the 1960s that had consumed her husband's life. The typewriter, it seemed, held clues that had eluded investigators for decades. Together, we decided to reopen the investigation. The faded notes and photographs led us on a trail through the city's forgotten alleys and abandoned buildings as we pieced together the puzzle. The mystery began to unravel, revealing a tale of betrayal, espionage, and a love affair that had been meticulously hidden from the world. In a surprising twist, the missing person turned out to be alive and well, living under a different identity. The typewriter, with its hidden compartment, had inadvertently held the key to unlocking a decades-old secret. As Mrs. Patterson and I shared the findings with the city, the story captured the community's imagination. The once forgotten case became a local legend, a reminder that sometimes the answers we seek are hidden in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered by those with a curious heart.